Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 26, 2022. One star Sudoku. Ninth row, we have four numbers 7, 5, 8 and 4. That four numbers can't come the three cells. It will come in one of the four cells. We will confirm later. The ninth grade, only three numbers are remaining. 1, 2, 3. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Seventh grade, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column H, column J, we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. 7th grade and 8th grade, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then 9th grade, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column J, we already have 8, so it can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 10th row, three numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 3. 8th grade, we already have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column E, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 7th grade, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column G, we already have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, the 9 is here. Column E, three numbers are remaining, 6, 5, 9. 4th row and 2nd grade, 6 and 5, so 6 and 5 can't come this cell, it will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then 2nd grade, three numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column E, three numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 9. It will come in one of the three cells. We will confirm later. Then column C, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 7th row, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, three numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 2. 9th grade and 9th row, we already have 4. 6th row also we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 6th grade, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 9th row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 3rd row, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, and 6th grade, we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 6 also here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 4. Column B also we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 6. Column I also we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. 8th row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row and seventh row, column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 7th row and 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column J, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column J, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Second row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Sixth row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Sixth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Fourth row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Fourth row and third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Fourth row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fourth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column C, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.